Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know, 3 months ago, Cindy and I decided to live separately in our own different RVs. And guess what? We're co-buddies now. We're camping buddies now. Cindy is here in Quartzsite. It's so wonderful. It really is. We really are enjoying one another's company. But I want to show you something. She wanted to boondock out here, but she didn't have any power. So I installed an off-grid system for her. I did this the other day. Actually, I did this yesterday. And this is the system right here that I put in for her. Keep it in mind, I am not a professional. This is all done amateurishly. I've got my solar coming in. We have her 4 200-watt solar panels. That's 800 watts. And if you're lucky, you'll get about half that. She's been getting about 400 or 500 watts coming in. And here the solar comes in. And it comes into this. I have not mounted this yet, but it comes into the solar charger, the 40 amp Renogy solar charger. And then of course it goes to the batteries here. I've got it fused here with a 60 amp fuse. Going up to the inverter, it's a 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter. I've got a new inverter ordered. It'll be coming in today. It's a 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter. But what I like about this one, it shows how much wattage is being pulled at the time. This is her service cable right here that you would hook up to shore power. 4 100 amp hour LiFo 4s. Gives her 4800 watts in the bank. Got it plumbed so that it goes up through a 300 amp fuse. This goes to the inverter. This side from number 1 battery positive and number 4 battery negative. It goes up to the inverter here. And so she has plenty of power right now. You can see she's 14.2 volts right there. And she's been running the microwave and drying her hair. And I've got this installed in here. What was in here was a refrigerator and a gas stove. We mount this system. And what we have done is I simply hung this out. It's just simply going to hang out. And it's just like that. I could have drilled holes through the floor, come up, but we decided not to do that because one of us is always going to be here. I would say most of the time. And if it's raining, I got to figure out some way to keep water from getting in here. Probably put the awning out about a foot. That'll protect it. Let me show you something else. On my system here, I got 4 Battle-Born batteries in here, and I got a Victron 150 amp charge controller. And you see I got 4 batteries here with 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter. And I also have a battery charger here. They don't make these anymore, but I wish they did. I'd get another one. So we're switching back and forth if we need energy, if we need to charging. I'm taking this over there and charging hers, then bring it back here and charging mine. This generator right here will run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for years and years. There's people, there are vendors who run these generators continuously. As long as you shut them down long enough to change the oil, put it on econo right here. I keep it on econo. Just let it run all night until it runs out of gas. I started it up at about 8 o'clock last night, and it ran all the way to 4 o'clock in the morning. And we woke up this morning, we had full batteries. Now here's the thing. These people over here run their generator. There's nobody in that one, and it's too far away over there, and there's no one here. That's basically abandoned. I can run this generator without a quiet box because it basically idles all night long. I'm not disturbing anybody. Even Cindy in her RV says she can't even hear it. It's been a while since I've made a video because I've been so busy setting the system up for her. And want you to know, I'm just so happy we're back together. It's like we get along so much better now. And we realize we need one another for support. I need her support, she needs mine. Our little animals need us. I am so much happier. I know she is too, that we have come to an understanding that we need one another. I love her dearly. Now I feel she loves me too. But it's kind of like we needed a vacation away from one another. It's been 3 months, hard 3 months to be living without her and Scooter. We have our own separate RVs, have a lot of respect for one another. And I just turned 78. I have learned that the most valuable thing there is the love of another human being and freedom. I just wanted to make this quick video, just to let you know I've been tied up, but we are going to go take a look at Quartzsite. It's so busy here now. There's thousands and thousands of people here in this extremely unique place. I want to thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.